Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about the best healthy food to gain weight faster. So stay tuned and watch to the end and you'll know how to gain healthy weight. Okay? So stay tuned and watch. One of the best healthy food to gain weight fast is homemade protein smoothie. It will help you to gain weight faster. The second one is milk. Drink a lot of milk. It helps your bones. It helps to build the musculature. It really helps you to gain weight. And the third is rice. Rice. Not many people eat rice. It's not rice for slim cost. No. You want to gain weight more, eat more rice. I'm telling you, you will gain more weight. Rice increases weight. And the fourth one is nuts. Nuts, butter, anything that you do with nuts like peanut butter, all those things. Those things, nuts really also help to increase your weight. You gain healthy weight. It's not like any type of weight that you gain, but you get healthy weight. And the next one is meat, red meat. People suppose say red meat too. Red meat is good. When you eat red meat, it's really good. So, and don't eat too much. I always say don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. Just eat your portion that you can eat. Okay? It helps to gain healthy weight. It really helps to gain healthy weight. You will not get a type of weight like, but it's healthy. And the next one is potatoes. Potatoes, any starchy food that you eat, like potatoes, like all those starchy food that people eat, also help you to gain weight. That is healthy weight. So eat the proportion that will help you, so increase your weight. And now one is salmon. Many people eat salmon fish, this oily fish. Many people eat it. So salmon also help you to increase weight. There's a healthy weight that you increase. So eat more salmon and you will see how you increase weight a lot. And I always say that last but not the least I'll give to you guys is any protein supplement that you lay your hands on that is good. I always say if you need any supplement to your body, contact me on IG. Guys. I will put you through. Protein supplements also help. You lay your hands on good ones, it helps you to gain weight. Because let me tell you one thing. If you are somebody who always you see yourself, your weight is just going. Check it out. Something is wrong somewhere. Okay? Something is wrong somewhere. And my next video, I'll tell you the thing that causes people to lose weight. There are a lot of things that causes to lose weight. If maybe I'm not losing weight, I don't know. No. Something is wrong somewhere. There's a deficiency somewhere that is your body is not right. Okay? And then the one I'll give, although I'll say bonus one, is also dry fruit. If you're eating dry fruit, it helps for healthy weight fast. You gain weight, healthy weight faster. We are eating dry fruits. All this whole grain bread is also good. Eating whole grain bread is really good. It's good for your body. It's good. It's a healthy fat that you are getting. So don't worry when you're eating all those things. If you want to gain weight, eat it more. And now is avocado. Avocado is also good. Avocado helps, it helps really to stabilize the metabolism. It helps for those who have hormonal imbalance, all those things. It really helps. Avocado is something that if you are incorporating in your diet every day, you will love your skin, you will love your hair, avocado has a lot of things. You can add it to many things that you are eating, in salad, in sandwich, Anything you're eating at avocado day, you enjoy it. If you haven't watched my video about the benefit of avocado seeds, go and watch it. But you never throw your avocado seed anyway, never throw it again. So go and watch that video for avocado seed, how the benefit of it, that when you're eating avocado, you keep the seeds and later prepare it and start taking it as tea or put on your food. It's also good. So avocado have a health benefit. So for those who want to gain weight fast, incorporate avocado in your diet and you will see all what you will have. You will not grow that fat that people just say, this lady is just fat. No. Your fat will be healthy fat. Healthy, because you have fat that are not good and the one that they are good. Some people just look at them the way they are. This fat is not healthy, because healthy fat, there's some healthy fat that you see the bones that are really, really in order. The other fat, And the other point is that if you want to eat dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is also good for healthy healthy weight gain. You want to gain weight more, in a healthy way, you eat dark chocolate. Dark chocolates are very good. You enjoy the dark chocolate in addition to eating it straight. Just eat it that way. You buy dark chocolate, eat it straight. Just eat it, enjoy it. Cheese also is another healthy food to gain weight faster. Cheese. We are eating cheese. Oh God, like I love cheese. I love cheese. By eating cheese, you will see yourself, you will love yourself and love your body. Whole egg. We are eating egg. Don't just go and buy that egg that is not organic. Buy organic egg. So when you eat egg, you know you're eating egg. So egg also is good for healthy foods. Healthy weight gain. Egg is also good. Incorporate egg in your diet. Full fat yogurt. Don't go and eat 1 comma something or 1 point. Eat full fat yogurt. The yogurt that some yogurt are not, they don't have fat inside. No. You want to gain weight now? Eat the one that has the 100% fat. Yeah. So that you will see because let me tell you one thing. There's something that I always say, anything that is so tasty, there is something like side effect. I have all this too much fat, but I healthy fats. So full fat yogurt will also help in gaining weight. Okay. So guys, go for all this and you'll note I still have more points, but I don't want it to be so long. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Shalom.